Guys, the wait is finally over. Oppo has officially dropped the Find X8 Ultra. And trust me, this phone is aiming straight at the flagship kings like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's break down why this might just be the most underrated beast of 2025. First off, the design. Sleek, futuristic, and premium. The Find X8 Ultra packs a curved 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And the brightness? A jaw-dropping 4500 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest displays on any smartphone right now. Perfect for gaming, streaming, and even direct sunlight. Now, let's talk cameras because Oppo isn't playing around. The Find X8 Ultra features a quad 50-megapixel camera setup, co-engineered with Hasselblad. You've got insane low-light photography, cinematic 8K video, and a new periscope zoom that gives you 200x digital zoom. Basically, you're carrying a telescope in your pocket. This could seriously give Samsung's Ultra series a run for its money. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte storage option. Battery life? A solid 5500 milliamps with 125-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Translation from 0 to full in about 20 minutes. Yeah, Apple users, take notes. So here's the big question. Should you switch? If you're tired of the same old iPhone or Galaxy, the Find X8 Ultra might just surprise you. It's powerful, it's premium, and it's packed with features you don't get anywhere else. What do you guys think? iPhone 16 Pro Max, Galaxy S25 Ultra, or Oppo Find X8 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns.